Hello, it's Grandpa again. So I have some news for you all, and I want to start with my Monday night I spent with one of our guild members, and I had really the night of my life. Anyway, he asked me, "How do you want to teach?" And I will explain that. If we go to the arena, I use this program as a education tool. We move the move mouse on this one. Just move, don't press. Yes. Now we see the strengthness of this team, and we compare it with this. This is together too high for us. So we go to another one. Move it here. Don't click. Yep. So the power now is about the same. Yeah. Now we are gonna have a look on the stars. 5, 8, let's say 6, 14, 20, 23. You see, we don't have this one. So I think we are gonna lose this battle. Yeah. So we go for another one. Press on this one, refresh enemies. Let's see if there is one time. This one is an interesting one. We are bigger. So let's look the stars. We have only this color, violet, and they have already gold weapons. So I don't think we're gonna win that. Just try. Press on this one. Press. Yep. Battle. So I make some calculation to compare, if there is a chance I can win. I don't think we are gonna not win this one. And that is mathematics, strategy, analysis. I'm thinking about, I'm making choices. Yeah, speed up. Press speed up. Yep. The battle goes faster. The graphics is not that good, but okay. Yeah, we are close, we are close, we are close. Morrigan, that's a good one. Many soul stones. Oh, wow. It's a draft. We are lost because out of time. Okay, press this one. Anyway, that's some education I want to give, with using this program. Mathematics, analysis, strategy, planning. Close this one. I said, just upgrade once a week. Why? Press this one, hero. I got Kyla here. Kyla is a really good fighter. 5 stars. Press on the Kyla. Yeah? And I promoted her to this level, yeah, in one day. Just 15 minutes, let's say. Why? Because I saved a lot of money. And I do it at once, because then I make a plan. I select one of the heroes that I can get more soul stones. And that is the one I select. So exit this one. Exit this one. So this morning I had here 12 million, and I spent all that money for upgrading Kyla. Go to mail. Collect all. So the only thing now remains, collect all. This is all the promotions. Read this one here.
Sorry. Now I must go back.
Mail. Yep. Read. This is another hero. Collect. Okay, that's the neighborhood. We continue. Read. This is another hero upgraded. Collect. Another one. I did this all today. Because I saved the money all the week. Kyla. 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 And Kyla again. So I did this all today. Yeah, because I saved all the week the money, the gold. And in the other team where I'm playing, we are collecting money for 1 month, and then at the end of the month, I increase the size. The amount of gold you need to increase the power of the heroes. It's amazing. I have, I think, 65 million on that account on gold, just collecting. So. We are creating hero, we are making plans, you know, why I want to increase the power of that hero especially. So we make some planning, we have finance, development, evolution, research, investigation we do, methods we use. I want to show you the tactics we use in the Preston Guild, in the Guild War. That's a strategy. Okay, Guild War. Grandma is doing fine. It's all Guild War again. So, plan tomorrow defense. So, this is our defense, but the strategy that we use to attack is this one. First, we want to open the bridge because we can't have access on this side. Yeah. After the bridge is open, we can attack one of these three positions so that the citadel will be accessible. What I do, I put here the strongest Titans to open the bridge. Then we select the weakest point in these three and we start to attack that one. When this one, the bridge and for example the Bastion of Ice, of Gates of Nature, or Bastion of Fire are open, everything is accessible, so then everybody can attack the opponent, you know, that they can win from. I think, oh, another thing, go to exit here. Yeah, exit. Yeah, strategy I did, what was it? Go to the rewards. Stat and present. So this here shows the activity of the guild. If you go to Titanite, this one, yeah. This is the Titanite collected by the guild, yeah. Now if you go back to activity and you go down, scroll down. No, here, and then now nee, wieltje. Yeah, wieltje. Yeah, I didn't train Grandma to do this, sorry. So you see the zeros here. The more zeros you have, the more is your position critical. Because I'm counting that everybody plays every day. Yeah, you don't need to spend money, but just play. If I see a zero a couple of times, there is a chance you are out because the other people does. So last time I give a reward to this team. Why? Because he was the best of the rest. So that was that. Close this one. So that is the way I try to teach the people how to use this game to improve through mathematics, test finance, planning, matrix decisions. All this is very important. And again, you know, maybe in the beginning you have some difficulties to learn, but don't go and try and lose and things like that. If you are in the arena and you win 5 battles of 5, you have a good team and you have a good player. So if somebody can win 5 times in a row, let me know and I will give everybody a present. Thank you very much. See you next time. Bye bye.